Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to add and manage comments in Google Docs using your Windows PC. First, open your document at docs.google.com and highlight the text you want to comment on. Next, click the comment icon that appears on the right and press Ctrl plus Alt plus M to open the comment box. Then type your note in the box, and if you want to notify someone, type this O plus followed by their email to tag them. After that, click comment to post it. Others will access, can reply, resolved, or react to the thread. Finally, to tidy up, click resolved when an issue is finished, or use the three-dot menu on any comment to edit or delete it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.